The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra features an aluminum frame, whereas the new S24 Ultra boasts a frame made of titanium. Powering the S24 Ultra is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, but the variant used is specifically overclocked for Samsung. The base RAM has been increased to 12 GB, providing a boost in multitasking capabilities. Although the battery capacity remains the same, the S24 Ultra has undergone optimization, resulting in a 15% reduction in power consumption. The S24 Ultra introduces an upgrade to Wi-Fi 7. The main camera on the S24 Ultra utilizes a new sensor, maintaining its impressive 200-megapixel resolution. In the case of the S24 Ultra, the previous 10x periscope zoom camera has been replaced with a 5x zoom. This 5x zoom utilizes a larger 50-megapixel sensor, achieving the 10x magnification through a combination of cropping and advanced computational imaging techniques. Later in the video, I'll show you some pictures and videos taken with the cameras. In a departure from the previous model's slightly curved screen edges, the new screen boasts a completely flat design. Both the S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra feature a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with an adaptive refresh rate that ranges from 1 to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals. However, the S24 Ultra takes it a step further by achieving an impressive brightness of 2600 nits, making the screen easily readable even in direct sunlight. One of the defining aspects of this year's Galaxy S24 series is the introduction of AI features known as advanced intelligence. Samsung has incorporated cutting-edge technology to offer real-time translation during voice calls, facilitating seamless conversations. Additionally, the AI capabilities extend to transcribing voice notes, providing translations and summaries of notes and web pages, and even enhancing the photo editing experience with intelligent features. Here, an example of voice note transcription. Galaxy S23 Ultra features an aluminum frame, whereas the new S24 Ultra boasts a frame made of titanium. Now, let's move on to the summary. In terms of photo editing capabilities, the new photo editor offers advanced features such as object selection and removal, image leveling, and background recreation. Moreover, the S24 Ultra introduces the ability to translate and summarize web pages, providing convenience and efficiency when browsing content in different languages. To showcase the camera performance, here are some photo and video samples captured with the S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra, all of which were taken handheld.